Hey, this is Brian from DuraSlic Ceramic Coatings. Today we're going to do a short video for FlowX ceramic top coat. This top coat can be used with any ceramic coating of any brand. The top coat adds SuperSlic technology to any coating. It can also be used as a standalone coating for up to a year of protection. The car we're using has DuraSlic coating already applied to a test spot and has cured for a week. Allowing cure time gives the best result. This demo will show how you can easily add SuperSlic technology to an existing coating. Also, how detailers can offer an affordable coating that's super easy to apply and will give up to a year's worth of protection. For video purposes, we'll use just the hood of the car. You can translate this installation technique to the rest of the vehicle. Take your application towel and grab your bottle of FlowX. Prime the towel with the product. It should take about 4 to 5 sprays to saturate the towel. To prepare, use a pH neutral soap and check for any damages to the coating. If everything is good with the coating, you can go ahead and apply the FlowX top coat to the coating. Using a primed application towel, spread the FlowX across the panel. Make sure that you completely cover the entire panel so FlowX can evenly adhere to the coating. Once it has a chance to flash in around 35 seconds to a minute, use your dry polishing towel to level off FlowX and move on to the rest of the vehicle. Work one panel at a time. FlowX not only adds SuperSlic technology to any coating, this will help sheet water and stretch out the time between washes. To use FlowX as a standalone coat, first you have to prep the vehicle's surfaces by doing a decon wash and clay treatment. After that is done, you could do a light paint enhancement depending on what the customer requests. Next, you will need to use glass and panel prep and wipe down the entire vehicle's painted surfaces, so we have no leftover contaminants. All right, so we're gonna use DuraSlic panel prep to clear off this panel. We're gonna apply it to the towel first. I'm gonna generously apply it directly to the panel. Okay, you can see it start finding stuff that it needs to get through. Okay, I'm gonna take our prime towel, gently wipe it down. Okay, we're gonna give it a chance to start evaporating away. You can see right here, it's starting to open up. Okay, give it about 30 seconds. I'm gonna gently just clear off the panel. Okay, now you can see we have nothing between the coating and the paint. Now, let's apply FlowX to the paint using the 2-towel method. One towel to apply, the next towel to level off. Although this coating is used like a water-based coating, it's not the same thing. This is a true solvent-based spray-on level-off coating. Apply FlowX generously to your first towel, spraying away from the vehicle to ensure no overspray. Once FlowX starts to give an oil slick type flash, you can go ahead and level it off with your dry towel to achieve slickness and protection. So why DuraSlic? Well, we've been doing coatings for over 20 years now in the electronics industry, and we've taken that technology and moved into the automotive industry. So we listen to our customers, and their feedback is super important in developing coatings or improving our existing coatings. We can make these changes on the fly because we actually make the coating, we employ the chemist, and we have it right here in America, so we can do it quickly. With DuraSlic, you're getting more than just a coating. We have really good customer service. In our test process, we're top in the industry. We're super hydrophobic. We have oleophobicity, which most coatings don't supply. Most of all, we're made here in America. Once again, I'm Brian from DuraSlic Ceramic Coatings. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below.